Welcome to Little Champs Learning. We are an ISO certified and government certified institute. Now, continuing in the series of square numbers, let's see how to do square of 3-digit numbers quickly. For example, if you have a number say 112 and you need to find square of this. Before starting with the technique, let me tell you, let's see this in alphabetical term. So, if you have a 3-digit number say ABC and you need to find square of this. So this technique follows certain pattern. If you follow that pattern to find the square, it will become very easy. Let's see the technique. Let's see the steps. The first step says you need to multiply this by itself, c by c. So you will have c square. The second step says you need to multiply these two numbers together and double it. You will have 2bc. Okay. The third step says you need to multiply this by itself, that is b square. And you need to multiply first and the last term, add it, double of the first and the last term. Now it is kind of a descending order. You have reached to your peak, now you will come down. So the next step will be you need to multiply AB and double it. So it is 2AB. And the last step says you need to square of A. So have you understood what we did? We did first the square of the last number. Then in the next step we doubled the last two numbers. The third step says the square of the middle numbers, which will get added to the first and the last number double. The next step says you need to double the first two numbers, and your last step says you need to square the first number. So let's write this in formula form, like in a straight line. Let us write. When I write A, B, C square in formula form, what I will get? First I have to do square of C. The second step says 2bc. The third step says 2ac plus b square. The third step says 2ab. And the last step says a square. Okay, so these are the 5 steps which you need to do when you have to find the square of any 3-digit numbers. Now, let's see square of 3-digit numbers with few numerical examples. For example, if you have 224, you need to find out square. Then what you will do? So according to my formula, first I am going to do square of 4, which will give me 16. So that is 6 carry 1. My second step says multiply these two numbers and double it. 4 times 2 is 8. Double of 8 is 16. Plus 1 gives me 17. 7 carry 1. Now my third step is very crucial. You need to take care of third step. You have to multiply first and the last number and double it. That is 8, and double of 8 is 16. Plus you need to add square of the middle number. Square of 2 is 4. 16 plus 4 will give you 20. You have 1 as carry over. So total you have now 21 with you. 1 carry 2. Now my fourth step says I need to multiply these two numbers. 2 times 2 is 4. Double of 4 will give me 8. 8 plus 2 will give me 10. 0 and 1. Now the last step and the fifth step says square of 2, which is 4 plus 1, 5. So see how quickly I have come to my conclusion. 50176 is the answer for 224 square. Let's explore few more examples. Let's see, if I say a random number I am selecting, if I have, let's see, if I have a number say 631 square. how to go about it? So the same way, square of 1 is 1. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Double of 3 will give me 6. I don't have any carryover till now. Now 6 times 1 is 6 and double of 6 will give me 12. I have to add this to the square of middle numbers. Have you understood what I did? I multiply first and the last number, I double it. Then I need to add square of the middle number for my third step. 12 plus 9 will give me 21. So no carryover to be added. 1, 2. Now multiply these two numbers for fourth step. 18, double of 18, 36 plus 2, 38. 8 carry 3. Now you have to square this 6, which is 36 plus 3, which is 39. So you have square of 631 as 398161. Let's see one more example if still you are not clear. After doing the third one, you will be quite confident and you can do any number on your own till 999. This is the general method. This is not a special rule. This can be applied to any number up to 99 to find the square of a number. Let's see one more example. 346 square. So this is quite big number I have chosen. Now I can say square of 6 is 36. I have 3. 4 times 6 is 24. Double of 24 is 48. That will get added to 3 will give you 51. So 1 and then 5 carry. Now 3 times 6 is 18. Double of 18 is 36. You need to add 16 to it, the middle of the square of the middle number. And then again you have a carryover of 5 to be added. So the whole process, just add and see, you will get 57. So you have 7 carry over 5. Now fourth step, 3 times 4 is 12. Double of 12 is 24. Plus 5 will give you 29. 9 carry 2. Now my last step says I need to do square of 3, which is 9, plus 2, that will give me 11. So the square of 346 is 119716. I hope you have understood this method. Nothing is there, you just need to follow the pattern or the formula which I have written on top. Do it again if you don't understand it, just revise it, you will get it too. This is really very easy, don't get confused.